reduce function basically reduces a sequence of elements into a single element. So we take a function and we also take an iterable. So in the iterable, whatever sequence of elements are present, those elements will be converted into a single value by applying the particular function. So the syntax, if you can observe, we write reduce and the first argument is the function and the second one is iterable. So this iterable can be your list, string, tuple, anything. So and all these elements have been taken by this function, and this function finally is going to produce a single element here. Now, whenever we are trying to use this reduce, we are supposed to make use of one module to be imported, that is called your functools, because this reduce function is present inside this module. So in our program here, we will be knowing more on this module, how to import and all in the module session. But for the time being, the meaning of this line is nothing but from the module, that is the name of the module is functools. Usually module is nothing but a collection of functions. So from this module, we are importing reduce so that I can use the reduce function in my program. So this is the module name and this is the function name. So now what we have done here, we have defined one function, and what this function is doing, it is just trying to take two parameters x and y and simply returns the sum of those two parameters. So we have taken one list or an iterable here, that is numbers, holding these 5 elements, that is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now I am calling this reduce function. As per the syntax, the first argument is nothing but the name of the function. What is the name of the function? Add. And the second one is nothing but the iterable. So what is my iterable here? A list, which is nothing but your numbers. So from this iterable, it is going to take the elements. So because it is looking for two parameters, so the first two values have been taken. So as a result, x is your 1, y is your 2. So x is 1, y is 2. And this return statement is going to return x plus y. What is x plus y? Is nothing but 1 plus 2. It is going to return 3. So now these two, when passed to this add, has produced a result that is nothing but your 3. So now along with this 3, now we have 3 more elements, 3, 4 and 5. So once again the add function is applied on the next two, that is nothing but 3 and this 3. This 3 is already calculated earlier. Now another 3 we have. So 3 and 3 when I am passing to this x and y. So x is 3, y is 3 now. So 3 plus 3 is going to give us 6. So till this we have got the result as 6. So now we take up 6 and this 4. So 6 and 4. So x is now 6 and y is your 4. And the sum is we have written like 10. So now up to this 4 we have received 10. Now one more element we have left out, that is your 5. So now when we call, so x becomes 10, y becomes your 5. So it is going to return 15. So all entire this set of elements we have inside the iterable, they have been reduced to a single value with the help of this reduce. That is nothing but 15, which we are storing inside this variable sum, and we are displaying the same here. So the result is nothing.